Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring some incredible garden landscaping ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a beautiful retreat. Landscaping plays a vital role in creating a harmonious and inviting environment, combining elements such as plants, hardscape features, and decorative elements. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's dive in. Garden layout and design. The first step in creating a competitive design is planning the layout and design. We will discuss different garden styles such as formal, informal, cottage, or modern. Discover how to select the right style for your outdoor space and learn tips for designing pathways, focal points, and functional areas with your garden. Plant selection and arrangement. Plants are the heart of any garden, adding beauty, texture, and color. We will explore various plants options including flowers, shrubs, trees, and ornamental grasses. Learn how to choose plants that thrive in your climate and create a harmonious composition throughout arrangement and layering. Garden structures and features. Garden structures and features enhance the visual interest and functionality of your outdoor space. We will showcase different elements such as pergolas, arbors, trellises, and water features. Discover how these structures can create focal point, provide shade, and add a sense of tranquility to your garden. Pathways and garden edging. Pathways and garden edging define the flow and structure of your garden. We will discuss different materials for pathways such as gravel, stepping stones, or pavers, and explore various options for garden edging, including rock, bricks, or plants. Learn how to create inviting path and border that seamlessly integrate with the overall garden design. Outdoor seating and gathering areas. Creating comfortable and inviting seating areas allow you to enjoy your garden to the fullest. We will explore different options for outdoor seating such as benches, patio sets, or cozy nooks. Discover how to strategically place seating areas to take advantage of beautiful views or create intricate space for relaxation and entertainment. Conclusion. That's wrap up our garden landscaping ideas for a beautiful outdoor retreat video. We hope these ideas have inspired you to transform your outdoor space into a stunning and serene garden. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know which landscaping ideas resonated with you the most. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home and garden content. Until next time, happy landscaping and enjoy creating a beautiful outdoor retreat with these garden landscaping ideas.